Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how long it takes to make $1,000 driving for Uber, and it might be faster than you would imagine. So if you are interested in driving for Uber, or maybe you're just curious how much Uber drivers make, this video is for you. So make sure you do one thing and subscribe to the show so you don't miss out on more videos like this. We always talk about ways to make money. Who knows, maybe you subscribing just boosted your net worth or your income stream, or maybe it got you another idea of another way to make money. So click the subscribe button, I'll wait for you, and let's jump in. Before we do, I wanted to say, if you do drive for Uber or for Lyft, I have a link below to sign up for Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a company that pays Uber and Lyft drivers. They pay you. It's literally another job. And they send you a free tablet. Use the link below, get your free tablet today. And you just put in your car, back your headrest, and that's it. Set it up and you start making money. So follow the instructions below and get set up with Play Octopus. All right, so this comes from our Uber Lyft drivers Facebook group. You can join it. We also have a link below for that. It's very active. As you can see, this guy just posted 6 hours ago, 64 comments. He says, another $2,000 week on the way. Other businesses doing well. Yeah, a lot of rideshare drivers do other businesses on the side. Comment down below, maybe another business you do. I would love to hear it. I love getting ideas in the comment section. So this is, this week, a driver just went out and drove. So this is in 2023, by the way, if you're watching this for a timestamp. He made, Michael Forbes made $1,082.27 in 4 days, right? And the day's not even over yet. It's still Thursday. And he went crazy on Monday, 400 bucks in a day. And it looks like here's around 200, this one about 350, 375, and then here is about 150 so far. So this is how long it takes to do $1,000 is 4 days, right? What is your other business? Yacht charter, property management, and driver for hire. So he's doing a ton of other stuff. It's not polite to brag, someone says. We all know Uber and Lyft drivers love to share their screenshots, and hey, that's what we do here. We share each other's screenshots and we learn from each other. We don't have coworkers to like bounce ideas off of. This is what we gotta do. We gotta go on social media. Show hours, how long each day? The perfect amount, he said. Duh, thanks. Busy Monday. Did you complete any quests? Quests are crap, he said. I averaged 21 bucks a ride, so don't do enough to qualify for quests. Show your hours, they said. Here's my hours from last week, he said. 31 hours and 130 trips. So he's averaging around 40 bucks an hour. So I don't know if this guy's doing Uber Black or I'm guessing he's doing Uber XL. I'm guessing he has a used Escalade or a used Ford, gosh, what are the long ones? I can't even remember, but something with 3 rows. I know some Ford Explorers have 3 rows. That's not the one I was thinking of. It's a little bit longer and shorter. I forget what that one called. It is a Ford though. But yeah, maybe he has a Honda Odyssey or something that has 3 rows for Uber XL. But just wanted to make this quick vid, guys. So let me know your thoughts down below. Here's another driver. 4 days. Yeah, it's trying to like hit it all out in 4 days. And it's definitely possible to do 4 days. You just got to drive a lot. But if you're a normal, you know, I guess normal-ish driver, it's probably going to take you 7 days. And possibly even if you're only a part-time driver, it's probably around 2 weeks. You're probably going to average around 500 bucks a week if you're doing it, you know, in about 20 hours a week or so. 25 hours a week. So thank you so much for watching today's video. And again, check out the link below to Play Octopus. You can get signed up and you can use our referral code. And when you do, they will send you this free tablet and you as a driver will make up to an extra $100 per month. So this is what it looks like. It comes with this cool little tablet here, has straps to put on your headrest. It's got the whole setup here. It takes about 2 minutes to set up. Has a charger that it comes with, so they give you everything you need and they're great. A lot of drivers are using Play Octopus and they have higher tips as well because, you know, it's a premium experience when you have free games for them to play. and people love playing games. Even mostly introverted people love playing games too. And you won't even realize it, but they're back there playing the games, and you might think it's only for partiers, but no, a lot of introverts love playing the games, and they'll throw you an extra $5. And yeah, thanks so much for watching today's video, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.